Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I like to explain the second law of thermodynamics, which explains that energy transfer in different types is very complicated because it does not happen freely, but generally only happens in one particular direction, which changes on a case-by-case basis. Formally stated, an irreversible process and one in which energy transfer can only happen in one direction and not the other, as irreversible normally means in everyday language. A good example is the heat transferred into a car tire by pumping air into it, because even though friction and pumping air into the tire both cause the tire to heat up, the reverse can never happen. Namely, the tire cannot spontaneously give off heat energy and translate it into motion or kinetic energy, because of the simple fact that heat only flows from hot to cold and never naturally flows from cold to hot. So this second law also explains how refrigerator pumps work, because in order to keep the refrigerator cool, there must be energy continuously given off by the pump doing mechanical work in order to keep the refrigerator at its proper temperature. Because if you let natural processes, such as how heat transfer normally works, take over, the refrigerator would no longer work because objects never cool down with no energy input. So there must be something doing work and expending energy in order to keep it cold. Now that I've thoroughly explained how temperature works, how heat transfer works, and the laws of thermodynamics that govern heat transfer in terms of energy, I can talk about the last important application of physics in everyday life, which is how electricity and magnetism work, because they are a fundamental cornerstone to how today's technology works. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.